Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some amazing Dreadlocks accessories and jewelry that will make your locks look stunning. Whether you're looking for some simple beads, some colorful wraps, or some eye-catching charms, I've got you covered. So stay tuned and let's get started. Dreadlocks are a beautiful and versatile hairstyle that can express your personality and style. But sometimes, you might want to spice up your look with some accessories and jewelry that can add some flair and fun to your locks. There are so many options out there, but in this video, I'm going to share with you some of my favorites that I use all the time. The first category of accessories that I love are beads. Beads are a classic and easy way to decorate your locks. You can find them in different shapes, sizes, colors, and materials. Some of the most popular ones are wood, metal, glass, and clay. You can also find beads with different designs, such as letters, symbols, or patterns. To use beads, you simply slide them onto your locks and secure them with a rubber band or a knot. You can use one or more beads per lock, depending on the size and thickness of your lock and the bead. You can also mix and match different beads to create a unique look. Beads are not only a great way to accessorize your locks, but also a way to express yourself and your culture. Beads have a long and rich history in many cultures around the world, such as Africa, India, Native America, and China. Beads can symbolize different meanings, such as protection, spirituality, wealth, or status. You can choose beads that reflect your heritage, beliefs, or values. You can also choose beads that match your outfit, mood, or occasion. Beads can make your locks look more elegant, playful, or edgy. The possibilities are endless with beads. The second category of accessories that I love are wraps. Wraps are pieces of fabric or yarn that you wrap around your locks to add some color and texture. You can use any kind of fabric or yarn that you like, such as cotton, silk, wool, or synthetic. You can also use different colors and patterns to create contrast and variety. To use wraps, you simply wrap them around your locks and tie them at the ends or tuck them in. You can wrap one or more locks together, depending on the effect you want to achieve. You can also wrap different parts of your locks to create different styles. Wraps are a fun and creative way to customize your locks and make them stand out. Wraps can also protect your locks from damage, such as dryness, frizz, or breakage. Wraps can also help you change up your look without having to cut or dye your locks. You can use wraps to create different effects, such as braids, buns, ponytails, or curls. You can also use wraps to match your outfit, season, or theme. Wraps can make your locks look more cozy, festive, or chic. The options are endless with wraps. The third category of accessories that I love are charms. Charms are small objects that you attach to your locks to add some sparkle and personality. You can find them in different shapes, sizes, colors, and materials. Some of the most popular ones are feathers, crystals, shells, coins, and pendants. You can also find charms with different themes, such as animals, flowers, stars, or hearts. To use charms, you simply clip them onto your locks using a small ring or a clasp. You can use one or more charms per lock, depending on the size and weight of your lock and the charm. You can also mix and match different charms to create a unique look. Charms are a cute and whimsical way to adorn your locks and make them shine. Charms can also reflect your interests, hobbies, or passions. Charms can also give you a sense of luck, magic, or inspiration. You can use charms to create different moods, such as romantic, bohemian, or glamorous. You can also use charms to match your jewelry, accessories, or makeup. Charms can make your locks look more enchanting, elegant, or fun. The choices are endless with charms. As you can see, there are so many ways to accessorize your dreadlocks with beads, wraps, and charms. These accessories can make your locks look more vibrant, creative, and beautiful. They can also help you express your mood, style, and personality. The best part is that they are easy to use and change whenever you want. So don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with your dreadlock accessories. You can find them online, in stores, or even do it yourself. You can trade them with your friends, family, or fellow dreadlocks. You can also watch tutorials, read blogs, or follow notable people for more ideas and inspiration, so you can share your own creations and experiences with others on social media. You can also join communities and groups of people who love dreadlocks and accessories as much as you do. There is a whole world of possibilities waiting for you with dreadlock accessories. If you want to learn more about dreadlock beads and how to use them, I have a special gift for you. I've created a free dreadlock beads guide that you can download from the link in the description. This guide will show you how to choose the right beads for your locks, how to style them, and how to care for them. It also includes some tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. This guide is perfect for beginners and experts alike. So don't miss this opportunity and download your free dreadlock beads guide today. Trust me, you won't regret it. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If so, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, so you can continue supporting me to create this type of content. And if you want, leave me a comment below telling me what accessories are your favorites and how you like to use them. I would love to hear from you and answer your questions. You can also follow me on my social networks, if you like this type of content, and press the bell so you don't miss any of my next videos. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you in the next one.